How's it going, everyone? I'm on my way to meet up with my buddy Bill, who has a YouTube channel called MotoJitsu. And this is by far going to be the craziest thing I've ever attempted. If you thought me doing circles inside my garage with the door shut was crazy, this goes well beyond that. And there's probably a higher than 50% chance I'm going to drop the bike or crash while attempting this. So yeah, I'm actually kind of excited / nervous to even try this. I've never tried it before, ever. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, everybody, I'm here with my buddy Bill. So I just told him he has no idea what I'm about to do because it's like his surprise as well. So this is what I'm going to attempt to do. So I'm going to attempt to do figure eights and low speed turns completely blindfolded.
You're crazy.
So here, I'll have you do it. I'll just leave it on selfie video. So open up my thing. So I have a new screen. So first I have these glasses that I put electrical tape on. I'm gonna be wearing these. And then I'm gonna put this over top of my whole face. And then I have a new thing I'm gonna replace, and it's completely duct taped. So I'm gonna do all that stuff, put on my helmet, and then you just gotta tell me there's no cars and kind of point me in the right direction. And I'm gonna try to do figure eights blindfolded. So I just have to rely on feel and hearing, and like coming to a stop, you can't see. So hopefully, that's why I said I might drop the bike. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna put the camera on this tripod so you could hold it. And then from then on, it'll be one non-stop, no cuts, no edits video. And if it takes 20 minutes, it takes 20 minutes, because I don't know how long it's gonna take me to build up the courage to do this, but here we go. All right, everyone, so now Bill's got the camera, and no more cuts, no edits, no nothing for the rest of the time it takes me to do all this stuff. So here we go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is switch out my visor to the duct taped one. And then I'll try to figure out what's the best way to put the, I don't know. This thing's always a pain. It might take me 20 minutes just to do this. There we go. So have you ever heard of or saw anybody try to do something like this before?
No, never. Especially not like a figure eight or something crazy.
Yeah, maybe just going in a straight line, but I'm gonna try to do like figure eights or whatever. So let me just see what this is like with the. So
how
there's like
scary
light
is that?
Coming through like at the bottom. Like after all this is done, if I crash or whatever, I'll have you put on the same format and I'll record you putting this on so you could like see my perspective. Well, these are, if you get close, you can kind of see. I just put electrical tape right now over these already dark black glasses. And look, I try to get the camera close. I mean, they're electrical tape. You can't see anything. Yeah, it's completely black. It's like zero visibility. Oh my gosh, I'm very nervous about this. Now, we just got here. Did I practice? Did I do anything?
No, we just showed up.
So, and then this, I think I could, I don't know if I'll need this because with those, but maybe I could go like, maybe I could do this. Yeah, there we go. And then, I don't know. Well, first, let me kind of get my bike pointed in the right direction before I even put on this crap and blindfold myself, so. You just have to like yell at me if there's like a car coming or something, or if I go like too close to shit I don't want to hit, like the telephone pole or that car. Just like, hey, stop the bike.
All right, so you're saying my life or your life is in my hands, right?
Yeah, tell if I'm getting too close to something. All right, so what's the best way to do this? You're probably all thinking right now, like, oh, do this first and do this, but I'm like, look at this. I'm like actually nervous. Oh, if I didn't say, don't ever attempt this ever. Not even on a bicycle, don't ever do this. you go. I'll get the glasses on. Dude. Here we go. I can tuck them in. Zero visibility. Okay. Okay, I can't even breathe. I gotta like adjust this somehow. If I can't breathe, I'm really gonna freak out. Okay, there we go. I still can't see, but at least I could breathe. That's important. Dude. Okay. Is this left or right?
That is a right-hander.
Oh, it's the right way. Dude, look at.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you?
Dude, fucking 12. Like
A 12.
I really can't. Dude, I want to put you in this with the camera rolling when I'm done, so you could see what I'm seeing. It's like midnight. I can't I'm sleeping. Okay, so I'm pointed straight, right? I'm just gonna. Dude, I gotta warm up to this. I'm just gonna go straight and try to stop without falling.
All right, I'm gonna back up and give you some space.
Okay. Without being aware of where the ground is at, like, I'm gonna drop the bike. Like, I can almost guarantee it. How far did I go?
You went about 10 feet, so you're still in the first parking stall.
Okay, so, okay, I'm gonna try to go straight and make a U-turn and point the other way.
Okay.
Is there enough room this way?
Yeah, you're good on you got plenty of space forward and to both sides. I'm out of the way. I'm over here.
Can I do a U-turn, or which way am I facing?
Yeah, you did a U-turn. About 90% of the U-turn.
So, which way is your bike?
So you're pointed directly at my bike.
How far am I away?
You're 2 parking stalls away.
Okay, so I need do I have enough room to go straight, then U-turn again?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do that. Is there any cars or anything?
No, you're good on cars.
Which way am I facing?
So you are facing a little, so you did the U-turn. You're facing a little to the right. So you would need to come a little to the left to be straight. So yeah, keep backing up, back up, back up. All right, now you're straight.
So like is the telephone pole over there?
Yes, you're pointed directly at the telephone pole. So you have your space to do your figure 8.
Okay, so I'm gonna go straight and then just try to go into a couple figure 8s and then just stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, this is crazy. Let's
Let
see.
me know when you have some room.
All right, I'm backed up. You got room. Yeah, this is definitely the craziest thing I've ever seen attempted on a motorcycle. All right.
I don't know if I could turn the other way. Where am I at?
So your back pointed to the telephone pole. You did one complete circle.
But if I go straight and then go left, do I have enough room to go that way and then go right?
Yes.
So right here, even if I do a big figure eight, am I gonna hit anything?
No, you're right in the middle of the parking stalls.
Dude, this is scary as shit. Like, I'm like really close to freaking out and just stopping. Okay. So I have enough room to go left, go that way, and then go right and do a figure eight.
Yep, you're right in the perfect spot. This is the first time I've ever seen Greg nervous about it. That was one figure eight. So now you're pointed, you're in the middle and you're pointed toward the south. So away from the bay.
So where are the telephone poles?
So the telephone poles are on your right and left. The roller coaster is on your right.
Okay. I want to try to do one more figure eight.
All right, if you stop right there, you're pointed toward the telephone pole.
Now, do I have room to go straight
Yes.
and then left U-turn
Yes.
and then come back and try it again?
Yes.
Am I going to be going onto the traffic or am I in the parking spaces?
You're almost in the middle of the parking spaces. You're good. There's no cars around. You're good. Did it. Figure eight. All right, you got another one.
Okay. I think that's it.
How was that? Like what?
Dude, it's like, it's okay when I'm going, but when I go to turn, like, it's so weird because I don't know where the ground is at. So the ground, it's like a surprise whenever I go to put my foot down. I almost dropped it that one time.
And look.
Dude, that's scary as hell. Let me keep the camera rolling because I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna have you put this on so you could tell, like, you could see what I'm seeing. Is my bike off?
Yes, it's off. Yeah, he's so disoriented, he wasn't even sure if his bike was on or off. So definitely don't try this at home.
Oh, I didn't even, look at that. I'm so nervous. I didn't even do my helmet. It was off the whole time. Holy fuck. Dude.
And we're still rolling.
That's insane, man. Oh my god. Yeah, so here, let me grab the thing and I want you to just put on the helmet. Here, just put on the helmet and the sunglasses and that's it. Wow, that is really bizarre. Well, those alone, they're taped.
Oh my god. I see like one little line and that's it.
Now,
Yeah,
pull the helmet down.
There's no... Yeah, I could not ride a motorcycle this way. Okay. I want to just get on your motorcycle to see
Okay.
like how it feels.
All right, let me get the hat and whatnot. There you go.
Yeah, I don't know how you did that.
Isn't that crazy?
I want to be able to even start. That's insane.
So you put on the glasses and you didn't have the visor on, but can you see anything?
No, with the glasses and visor, nothing. Like there's not even light coming through.
Yeah, there's no light. I can't see the ground. I have nothing. There's
I would
nothing.
like completely freak out if I like started the motorcycle and tried to even move. Like
Dude, I almost did. I almost stopped. I almost said, screw it. I'm not doing this video. But wow. So here we go. I'll give you the camera back, and we can switch places again. Here's your hat. All right. So like the video in the garage. Why do this? Why do the circles inside the garage? So I've been saying forever, and I'm just trying to think of ways to get people to, my whole goal in life is to get people out practicing so they could become better riders, so they could crash less and have more fun. So doing circles inside my garage is just, like, I was reading through the comments for sure on that video because I wanted to see what people were saying. Like, do you have the confidence to know what you're doing, or do you not have the confidence? And you gain that by big empty spaces first. But then if you know what you're doing, you know what you're doing. Because the whole thing of you go where you look and you look where you want to go, I got it. That's basic. Obviously I can't see anything, so what am I relying on? What the engine sounds like, what it feels like, and the, I don't know, million damn hours I have repeating this stuff so much to where I could look the other way while doing full lock turns or whatever. But it's just a confidence thing. So now if I have my eyes, well, how much easier is it going to be? Right? But don't do that. Like, unless you have anything close to, unless you could do all my black belt drills like easily, don't even ever attempt anything like that ever. But I was perfectly willing. I even told Lily before I left, I was like, I'm probably gonna drop the bike right now. I almost did. Just tell me to stop. I didn't think I was gonna drop it while I was moving, because you have momentum and it feels, I know what that feeling feels like when the bike's leaning, the engine is slipping the clutch and rear brake. But trying to bring it up and not knowing where I'm pointing and then trying to come to a stop, that was sketchy. But yeah, I'm probably never gonna do that again. But anyway, go practice. If you're looking for crap to set up and practice, that's what my app and books are for. Go get some of that stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. See y'all later.